What's going on, guys? It's Jimmy here. Welcome to our daily show where we discuss the stimulus package update, physical infrastructure package update, daily news, pretty much everything going on here in our country and in Washington, D.C., money, investing, the stock market, pretty much everything you need to know about. Remember, the new videos come out here every day on our channel, so make sure to subscribe down below if you haven't yet, so I will keep you up to date with everything going on. With Congress now passing the new physical infrastructure package that was originally passed in the Senate in August and has now passed the House of Representatives, the American Jobs Plan that is now passed, the $1.2 trillion physical infrastructure package, and is now looking forward to passing the stimulus package, the American Families Plan, here in the House of Representatives. There's still a lot left to be looking forward to. But the one question remains, how is it going to be paid for? And that is mainly with taxes. And the government planning to raise taxes to help offset the cost of these bills. And remember that the stimulus package is said to be fully paid for, with the Congressional Budget Office now doing a report to make sure that the next stimulus package, the American Family Plan, will be fully paid for, and that is what they're waiting on for now with the next stimulus package. What are some of the things that these tax raises will pay for in this next stimulus package? Universal preschool for all 3 and 4-year-olds will be funded for at least 6 years going forward. Subsidized childcare that will cap what parents will pay for will be at least no more than 7% of their income, will also be funded for at least 6 years. They say that childcare can cost families $10,000 a year or more. In some states, $20,000 a year or more, or if you have 2 or more children, can cost families $20,000 a year or more. There's also a 1-year extension of the monthly stimulus checks called the child tax credits, which are $250 to $300 per month per child, depending on the age of the child. If the children are age 6 and over, $250 per month per child. Children 5 and under will be getting $300 per month for 1 more year extended in this next stimulus package that they're trying to still pass. Well, there's lots of other things in there, like lowering the cost of prescription drugs, Medicare benefits for seniors like hearing coverage, hearing aid coverage, as well as expanded tax credits are added for 10 years for clean residential and utility energy, including electric vehicles, as well as it extends the Affordable Care Act, also known as Obamacare, subsidies for the next 4 years. This also doesn't even include, among many other things here, this also doesn't even include the $1.2 trillion physical infrastructure package that was just passed now fully by the House and the Senate, the American Jobs Plan physical infrastructure package that is now fully passed. And President Biden is now celebrating as a win. And that is now completely passed House and Senate and is now a done deal. If you're an investor, which you should be, as the value of your cash is deteriorating quickly, you'll also want to know that one of the tax hikes they're considering in this next stimulus package as one of the pay-fors is a hike in the capital gains tax rate. Taxes like this could make taxing the middle class out of all these proposed expenditures could make it not just likely, but maybe inevitable. Now, if you take the time to watch this detailed video to the end, I'm going to show you what average everyday Americans are doing right now to accelerate their wealth and solve their financial issues. The pace of money printing will also have to ramp up even beyond its current rate. Believe it or not, it's estimated that potentially 25% of all the dollars in circulation were printed in response to this pandemic that we're dealing with right now. Exacerbating this crisis is the rebound in consumer demand and record imports, which has prompted an undersupply of storage capacity. In a clear sign of manufacturer to consumer bottlenecks getting worse, US warehouses are literally running out of space, as storage containers are literally piled up on top of each other, and warehouse operators are facing shortages of everything they need to run their facilities' efficiencies, from racks and balers to forklift trucks, not to mention the workers that they require. All of these constraints and associated costs will be transitory, at least according to the Fed. And the best case scenario, if the Fed is correct, would be an easing of inflation pressures in the summer of 2022 or perhaps 2023. In other words, inflation is now with us. So I've been combing through dozens and dozens of gold stocks in the past quarter to see which ones actually performed well. I found this company has rallied as much as 742%. This particular company has a market cap of $1.5 billion, but the most important conclusion I had from conducting due diligence on them is that I learned that from the founders of this company have duplicated the precise formula that got their stock to surge in a new gold company, which is 20 times smaller than this one. In other words, with this second company, you get the same founders, the same management, the similar strategy. And you get it before the massive rally that comes if management repeats their success once more. It's literally like learning Jeff Bezos or Elon Musk is launching a new company. It's like turning back the clock or learning about Bitcoin at $1,000 a coin, so to speak, in my opinion. The gold company I'm referring to is Nevada King Gold, ticker symbol VKMTF. And it trades using the traditional brokers we all know, like Fidelity, Schwab, Interactive Brokers, E-Trade, Vanguard, and others. Nevada King Gold is worth only $80 million. It would have to rally by 2,000% to match the first gold company that they ran. So the upside potential is huge. Conduct your own due diligence and see for yourself how Nevada King Gold, US stock symbol VKMTF, could possess the essential elements for creating value and advancing their business model. Nevada King's current timeline reminds me of a lot of where Colin Kettle's first company was about a year ago, when its price was about a quarter of where it is today. The similarities are visible. The company's balance sheet is loaded with about $18.5 million in cash, and there's no debt. The company's drilling program is set to commence now. The company's budget for drilling is $10 million, making it one of the most active explorers in Nevada in 2021. Gold is Nevada's top overseas export by value and produces more than 80% of the gold mined annually in the United States. Nevada King is the way we're going long on the Nevada gold industry and is the sponsor of today's video. Now, there is a rare and unique timing about Nevada King Gold. Listen closely. Because the drill rigs are now going to explore the project the company owns in Nevada. And we want to be positioned before the results come out and potentially reveal a mother lode discovery. I pinned a comment with the company's ticker, website, presentation, and essential information. Over 99% of the claims that are held by Nevada King were acquired through staking, resulting in no underlying royalties, option payments, or work commitments. Guys, this is a really big opportunity, and the stock ticker is VKMTF. So again, I will put a link down below in the pinned comment of this video and the description. Make sure to check it out, and you can click that link down below. So this is going to be a very big upcoming week for the stimulus package now that the physical infrastructure package is passed. This is a shorter video. I will have a lot of videos coming up for you guys this week. So they're going to try to pass the stimulus package this week. So definitely stay tuned this week, as I will have a lot more videos coming up for you guys this week. So I will keep you up to date. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you coming up.